In today's video, you get an in-depth explanation of what causes an ingrown toenail, the tools you need to recover from, and how to prevent an ingrown toenail. So stay tuned. I'm Lori Holloway, known as the Meticulous Manicurist on YouTube and an expert in the field of nail technology, specializing in pedicures.
I didn't want to go anymore because I felt like we can't talk, or and I'm like, I don't know what's going on with my toe. And when he told me that, I was like, okay, whatever, I don't want to go there anymore.
I'll tell you what happens. So everybody has a nail wall and a nail groove, which the nail sits in. And when they remove that long skinny piece of nail on the side, all of the skin around it collapses inward.
Okay.
And then when your nail starts growing back, starting from way down there, it hurts the whole way growing up. That's why they want to put the acid down here so the matrix doesn't produce nail anymore.
Okay.
So if they don't do that, then when it's growing back, it hurts the entire time it's growing back. So it's better to do a conservative and just clean out that whole area.
But will it, when you're done with it, will it grow back naturally and not start looking, I don't know, some people's toe starts looking like that.
No, it will be fine.
If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe and click the bell to turn on your notifications to know when I upload my weekly video and be notified if your comment got the most likes and will be featured in an upcoming video.
I didn't want to make it worse, and I've read about people who've done things.
Oh yeah, and they dig. Yeah, I'll tell you the tools that you need.
Okay. I don't know.
I can't really tell because you said it has been a while.
Yeah, it's been a few years.
Yeah.
And I didn't know that's what it was. I thought an ingrown was when it got infected and you had to go to a podiatrist and you had to come up, I didn't know.
Well, it can get infected, but there's different stages of ingrown toenails. So if it starts to feel sore, that's when it's starting. And what happens is if somebody cuts their toenail too low, and this skin, this is a perfect example, even though this side doesn't hurt yet, see how this skin is bubbled over top of the nail? If there was a tiny spike over here, see this little teeny thing? Sometimes people leave like a little jagged edge, and then when it grows up, it will actually puncture and poke into the skin right there. And that's when it gets infected. So keeping cuticle oil on your toenail to keep all of this skin nice and soft. So when the nail grows, it will just pop right over top of the skin, because this nail wants to be on top. It needs to be on top, like this. So you don't want to cut your toenail that low on this side again.
I think it kind of cracked, and that's why
Yeah, that can happen too.
Really lotion theirs, and they had wounds and different things going on, so I didn't mess. Well, I kind of did my dad's, but I just didn't want to have to go in and have my toe. I wonder if my toe is stained that way.
Yeah, that's a stain. I'll buff it out.
I usually put clear on before I put any color. They almost look like dental instruments.
Kind of. Except they're not sharp.
the sound of the water on your videos is so soothing. I was like, oh, I want to find something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like the thunderstorm white noise.
So what I see you doing, Lori, is something I would try to do on my own. You think
Yeah.
I can do it though?
Oh yeah,
No, I mean,
totally. So I'm just gonna trim off this little bit of excess skin. Give the nail a little bit more space
so that it grows
to
above
grow.
the skin,
Yeah,
not
right in
into
this
the
little
skin.
groove. Yeah.
Because it seemed like there was like a line or something, and that's where it wants to always crack. I know that's the way it is on the other toe.
Right.
In that little corner, and I couldn't figure out why. Why does it keep cracking like right in that spot?
Yeah, it's probably from the way that you walk. You probably put.
It's sure going down. The doctor also said that lines, when you get lines in your toes, like that's fungus. Do you see that, Lori?
No, you don't have any fungus. No.
She said I did that, but that was like that particular toe. Must hit my shoe or something.
Do you wear Birkenstocks?
Mm-hmm.
No, that's good.
I usually wear my sandals. I wore my sandals all summer. And they're open-toed sandals, my tacos. Do you teach it all, Elaine, besides on YouTube?
Yeah, I do classes once a year at a trade show, and then I have an online nail academy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so your nail is going to need to cut a new nail groove into this skin. So you want to keep all of this nice and soft and free of excess skin, because it's just harder to carve out.
You're clean there, Elaine?
Yep.
I don't know why I'm calling you Elaine. Where I got that
My
from.
middle name's Ellen.
Okay, I don't know where I got that in my mind. Okay, so that means lotion or what did you mention?
The nail mycosis
Okay.
solution. Because it keeps the nail soft too.
Okay.
Because when the nail isn't like hard as a rock, it won't hurt the skin so much.
Right,
When
that
everything's
makes
more
sense.
pliable, it just
Right.
grows up easier.
Okay.
Yeah.
So would I have to kind of do what you're doing a little bit?
Mm-hmm. Well, you just need to
You
just need to slip it down inside there and
Okay.
just clean around like
All
that.
right.
That's all you need to do.
with that tool that you have, that you're using?
Yep.
Okay.
And then a drop of the product in the morning
Okay.
or at night before you go to bed. You just need to do once a day.
Okay. Do I have to wear socks if I do it at night?
No, you don't have to.
Okay. What to do with this? I just didn't know.
And this little thing is called the rasp, and it's got like a little serrated file on the edge of it. So if there's something sharp that you can't get to, that's poking into your skin, then you file it with this. Like this little tiny thing right there.
That's probably the thing that was hurting you.
Yeah, it was probably poking into your skin when your toenail was trying to grow.
I want to get those instruments.
We have them up front.
Do you? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I know what you should. That way I could try. I mean, I don't. And then you show them there how to use them right. It's just,
Oh, yeah.
You know, the idea.
That color looks so pretty with your skin
Yeah,
tone.
it's pretty. I like it. Beautiful.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.